All forms of life are a particular energetic frequency that influences life's events in one direction or another.
Human life is a biological organism equipped with a perception of body and mind. It intuitively coordinates social interactions to meet survival and welfare needs.
Unprocessed memories of the past based on fear block the fluidity of our energetic frequency.
Herein lies the root cause of human suffering.
Aligning with the wonders of the natural world helps us release negative memories. This cleanses the heart and illuminates the mind.
Interacting with nature, we can remember our natural ability to respond fluidly according to the emotions that life's experiences provoke. In this state of being, mind and heart come together. We, then, naturally begin enacting our best in the world. This gives us joy. Living in joy is our highest responsibility.
For more information, visit www.orcamachomas.com